check this out. Huge tree in the middle of our road.
Came from my fucking car.
That came from right in front of our car.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
But it didn't fall on our car. And we're so happy.
I can't go anywhere.
This is the tree. All of this that you're seeing is not a hill. This is all
Oh my God.
the tree
I should have left. I should have come out here to see this. I could have told my boss this.
that is fallen down in front of our house in the middle of the street. So we're not going anywhere today, guys. And now you know why. Facebookers everywhere. We can't go nowhere.
Yeah,
and
if we have a gig, I'm gonna have to walk out to 52 to meet Kevin.
yeah, we'll have to walk.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
I gotta get back to shoveling. This is insane.
The trees is moving again, Adam. They're gonna fall.
Oh my God.
This is crazy. And this is our house. You have to climb to get to it.
I feel like I'm in the Bambi cartoon. Look at it.
No, I don't feel like I'm a bit. It's Narnia.
Yeah. I'm going through the wardrobe.
To get to our house, you have to travel through.
This is literally impassable.
No, you have to go this way, Adam. You have to go through Narnia.
Oh, I found falling. Fuck.
Adam, this way. Okay. You have to travel through Narnia.
Oh, I'm tired already.
This is cute.
I'm back, Pluto. I'm back.
A nice little alcove completely encompassing our kitchen, which we can't see. What's this way? I haven't checked it out yet. As you can tell by the no footprints. Oh my God. There's more of the tree that fell. That's the side of my house. Those are the steps. Oh my freaking God. Gotta get it. Through Narnia. What?
I said that was so close. Just please don't take down any more trees.
No more trees. Here's the rest of the house. This is the other big tree in front of our house. It's not falling down. It's just severely bowed under the weight of the snow. There's my flowers that are not flowers right now. There's my dog, Cujo. Cujo! Cujo! What's up, my puppy? Ow, ow, ow. Don't jump on me. What?
Who the fuck is gonna move that?
County, I think, has to.
That ain't from my yard.
Big freaking tree in our yard.
I wonder if I call the trailer park or something.
This is what our house looks like right now.
Huh?
I'm still taking a video. I'm showing everybody on Facebook what our house looks like. I mean, it's freaking hilarious.
Says the person who isn't shoveling.
Oh. Alright, I better get the dog inside before he freezes.